We will continue now with the Master Ni reading, as I said, on number 25. Now, this is long, so I'm going to start it right now. But keep in mind the Big Bang Theory when I read this, and also keep in mind those words that he uses before, and see if you see or hear any parallels. This is number 25. Before heaven and earth were born, there was something formless and complete in itself, impalpable and everlasting, silent and undisturbed, standing alone and unchanging. It exercises itself gently and generates itself inexhaustibly in all dimensions. It may be regarded as the mother of all things, far beyond humankind's relative conception. It cannot be referred to by a specific name, yet it may be identified as the subtle essence of the universe. In the absence of any accurate word, I shall call it the Great. Being great, it extends itself without limit. Extending itself without limit, it is far reaching. Being far reaching, it utterly reverts to itself, returning to its self sufficient origin. Indeed, it has never really left itself. This indefinable, subtle energy flow is truly the greatest of all. Expressing its integral nature, the universe's subtle essence is remaining intangible, yielding and uncontrollable, the ultimate expression of the cosmos. As an expression of the unceasing creativity, it manifests in the spaciousness of the sky. As an expression of its receptiveness, it manifests the great massiveness of galaxies, stars, and planets. As an expression of harmonious reintegration, it manifests in human life. Thus, in the natural flow of energy transformation, human life becomes one with the four great expressions of the whole essence of the universe. It is the way of universal subtle integration. Mankind conforms to earth, earth conforms to the sky conforms to the subtle origin conforms to its own nature. These are the four peaks of manifestation from the great transformation of one universal subtle energy. Taking an individual human life as example, the intangible body with its fluids and nervous system constructs a field of intangible but functioning mind and super consciousness. There we have number 25. Keep in mind the Big Bang. What do you think of this? Do you notice it has something to say about that? Now, you may play this again and think about it or read it in your own version. But what you find here in the Tao Te Ching number 25, and keep in mind how long this was before any concept of physics, how close it is to such a thing. Now, we are going to go to two more sections in here, and for a specific reason, and I will tell you in a minute, but this gives you an idea of the craftiness of the Tao Te Ching and the great mental power of Master Ni in expressing it in his own Taoist terms.